Good morning. Welcome back, everybody. What's up, Orchid? Daniel, Hero, Kyo, Dama. Good to see you all back. Yo, I'm doing great. I'm blessed. Got to secure another payout on this account last night. And also on this 100k on Alpha. Can also take a payout. New state? Yeah, let's check on that. We got core CPI. It's not one of those, you know, really big ones. Yeah, it's not worth it to full send it. I'd rather do it on either CPI, FOMC, or NFP. Those are like the three heavy hitters when it comes to news. But this might still have a nice effect on the market. It's just I'm not expecting like a bad print candle like FOMC did last time. But yeah, let's check out the charts a little bit and see what's going on here. We have some TJL2, we have some TJL1. This one I wouldn't play because obviously we are ranging inside that already, so maybe the TJL2 on the 15 doesn't look too bad. We had closures above here. Yeah, let's keep that one marked up. And let's check MGC for now. We delete all these. Let's go, Dama. Yeah, the best place to trade right now in Germany is outside, I guess. Outside or inside a pool? Alright, let's check goalie. So this was the 1 hour marking. Yep. 1 hour trending down. Got a 1 hour TJL right here. This is still valid. Otherwise we need closures below on the 1 hour. The 15 minute, let's check that out. Yeah. That's pretty much it on the 15. We need closures below or above. We got AB. AB in London. How you doing, bro? How was your flight?
Bro,
Took way too
damn.
long, huh?
Yeah, I mean, the overall travel was just too much, but it is what it is. It
Yeah.
wasn't like I didn't know about it.
Yeah, I mean, you're Mr. Worldwide right now.
Mr. Worldwide. Yes, hero, still alive. How are you? We're all going to die. But I'm still too sleepy. I'm thinking, should I be streaming or not?
Hmm.
My eyes are kind of tired. They don't want to open.
Just chill for a bit.
Yeah,
There's nothing on the charts anyway right now, so no need to stream anything.
yes. Seriously.
Yeah, goalie is just, we need something outside of this. And then the only valid thing that we have is this sell zone right here. We could have some sell limits, but right now we're so far
Yeah.
away that I'm not even placing them yet.
Yeah, it's just with no volume. I think yesterday there was a lot of volume. That's why today I think. Because most of the people I think are out of the trades or like even the institutions.
Yeah. Tomorrow gonna be wild again.
Yeah.
How warm is it in London?
Bro, same
Yeah.
as Germany. Yeah.
Yeah, and then big cities always heat up a little bit more than living on a
Yeah,
land.
seriously. NQ has volume.
Oh, let's see.
I mean, at least it's moving.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what do you think about this 1 hour dual change of character A plus zone for NQ for some cells?
Yeah, nice because you see that red move to the downside.
Yeah,
This one, yeah. So if you draw a fib, I think that kind of lines up with the 16.
from here.
Yeah, from red to red. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So I think that looks like the move, but yeah, I don't know if we're bullish or bearish today on NQ because the price looks bullish,
Mm-hmm.
especially after that big move up last night, right before the market closed.
Yeah. But I feel like we could be bullish and still take the sells, because I feel like there should be some
Exactly.
reaction, and then we should at least get some partials and stuff, and then maybe flip bullish again and break through.
Yeah, so maybe that taps and then comes back down to this 15 TJL
Yeah.
and then continues going up, or it's just like we take an SL there.
Yeah, it's okay. And then we just wait on the TGL on the 1 minute or something and jump on the chain.
Yeah, and make it all back.
Yeah. Okay, W. So we got a plan. What's that level here? Yeah, I'll just put it right there. But the only account I can trade right now is on Lucid.
W, what a problem to have.
Yeah. Lucid.
I'll just go 30,300 exact for the entry.
Yeah, okay. I'll do 99.
Yeah, W.
Let's look for some stops. Ah, okay, there's some 1 minute structure that we can use. Oh, that's 460. But okay. That's fine. And then risk free at 166, 170.
Yeah. Bro, we're taking sales from a random place in the chart. Crazy.
Yeah, we get news in 18 minutes.
Yeah.
But I found out where I can see if my payout gets through on alpha now, finally.
No, where they
On the
also
dash.
have crazy.
Yeah, it's kinda hard to find, but I found it now.
W.
Bro, TopStep is such a G that they don't do the 90% profit split on your first 10k. Because I
Yeah,
thought that's
true.
like on every prop firm, and they already do the 90% split on the first payout.
Bro, I've totally forgotten about that.
Yeah,
So,
the first 10k were just straight everything that you
yeah,
requested.
that was so good.
Yeah.
I used to think at that point, yeah, this more than 10K problem is not gonna be me.
It's gonna come quickly.
Yeah. You know, bro, I'll close my eyes for a bit. I just can't open them,
Yeah.
but I'm chilling here. Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, we got Mr. Worldwide. Pitbull. Get two Mr.
Hey,
Worldwide now.
Pitbull, look at me. I'm the Mr. Worldwide now.
Mr. Worldwide.
Do we have anyone on YouTube today? Hello, YouTube. Make some noise. I might give away a combine to my favorite YouTube chatter by the end of the month.
Whoa.
Let's go. Mugs would be good if you can. Nah, actually, you don't have to do anything. You won't get rebuilt. You just have to rebuild after that 3 month. You have to resub, kinda, if you want to. W. How you doing, Danji? We just gotta wait. Let's look at Goldie. What's going on over there? Still nothing. Yeah, I guess we gotta wait on the news. W Pitbull. Yeah, I think they're gonna wake up soon. I think after news we should see it going. Yo, Tama, thanks for the support with all your accounts, man. Got the whole gang. Nah, you don't gotta watch the stream on YouTube. If you guys drop in and just leave a like, that's helping a lot. You give me 1 minute, I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, basically if you subbed in this month, if you resubbed in this month or just got a subscription new in this month, then next month there won't be a rebill for you. Yeah, so let's say you bought on June the 7th, then the next time you're gonna get booked or you gotta repay would be 7th of August. Man, NQ slow, gold slow. Let's see what do they expect for numbers. Slightly up. So they are expecting green numbers for the dollar. That should mean we drop on Goldie. And NQ. What we're gonna see. GDP, they expect an even. Is it just me or are you guys not I'm not able to keep up with all these news on Baja anymore. It's too much. I usually just look at the chart and see how the chart moves, and if there's like a big move on the chart, then I look for when a time that was, and then I look for the news, because that's like a big news event. But everything else, I'm just like, whatever. It's just up and down every day, multiple times. I mean, Trump. Iran. Nah, man. This is like a WhatsApp chat. Yo, Alex, how you doing, bro? Good morning, Tavia. It depends, Tavia, on some news. It depends, but usually every pair that we see is trading against the US dollar. Gold against US dollar, right? Nasdaq measured against US dollars. So if the US dollar gets strong, the value of Goldie, for example, drops. But it's a little bit more complicated. This is just how it's in general, but like I said, some news events have different I don't find the word right now. Yeah, different outcomes for each pair. They're gonna affect them differently. And I'm not too sure about this one. PCE and GDP, I'm not too sure. But unemployment, we can look at that. Also good numbers for the dollar they're expecting. We just gotta see. Damn. Thank you. But I think it was AB. Yo, LeGrand. Good to see you back. We could also put a buy limit here at this 15 TJL2 and then see on news which one we get activated on. Yeah, I'll do this. So I'm gonna have a buy limit too on Nasdaq on 29,966.5. And then which one gets activated first? The other one I'm gonna delete, and then we're just gonna see. Honestly, I think news not even gonna pump into one of those, but it's gonna give us direction probably, and then we start moving somewhere into one of those directions. But I'm not expecting it to be like FOMC where we get the news drop and it's just a, you know, one candle print in some direction, 1,000 pips. You know, it's just gonna be maybe a small push down until here or up here. If it's a big one, then I'll be surprised. Let's see. 35 seconds. Yeah. See what I mean? It's not one of those where we just boom, get a candle in our face, you know, it's just, it might find a direction now and move towards our limits. Gold, what did gold do? Gold is also going up. Yeah, we could have a sell limit on Goldie too here. Let's place that one, that's at 4,067. Chill Pranav. Shivansh, I mean. Alright, so got that. We got this. Let's see which one activates. So yeah, how did the numbers came out? Let's see. As expected, higher than expected. Everything green. So good numbers. Yeah, I think we can move down today probably. Yeah, for gold, if we get closures below, you guys know what's the plan. We need Sujay for some oil signals, because NQ and gold are just chopped today. Or not. We just gotta wait on setups right now. Not really chopped. Gold is kinda chopped. Yeah, that news did nothing. Oh no. Yeah, maybe everybody can send out some prayers for George, so he doesn't have to get his knees through an operation. Yeah, he came from the doctor today, so he has to lay down today and chill. That's why he's not on the stream. Also, he passed his combine halfway last night. So W George. Yeah, I know we changed character right here, right? This is also like the 15. But this is the dual change we're coming from. That's why I want to sell from here. I'm also open to buy from down here. But this also happens to be the 0.6 retracement of this heavy move. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, that pretty much aligns with the TJL one. Had to. Looks like we need 930 to get us somewhere. Good morning, Trading Dad. How you doing? Is there, for anybody who got payouts with Lucid, is there any way to get the payout without using work market? Can they just send it directly to my bank account? And but you're in the US, right, Mux? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm in EU, so it's a little bit different, and they use work market. The only thing that I'm questioning myself is on work market I can't see like the withdrawals and everything, and that's gonna be important for my taxes. I might have to figure that out. Just don't do the taxes. Alright. What? I have to pay taxes? Yeah, sure. That would be crazy. Imagine you would have to pay taxes. We're already paying taxes on everything that we buy. We don't do taxes, we do prison. Yeah. Slow. Very slow today. Everything is trying to move up, but it's so slow. We gotta wait on 9:30. 9:30 gonna be the move today. If so. If we get a move at all, maybe late. Yeah, I think so. Everybody's outside today. Nobody's trading. I just remembered I have some watermelon. I feel like that's the best fruit for a hot day. Salz is a 1 hour dual change of character on NQ. The markets are always bullish, very bullish or very bearish until they're not. You know, for example, this. You see how bullish this 1 hour was? It was really, really, really aggressive, but I would have looked for sells right there because it's a 1 hour TJL and the aggressive move stopped right there. No move will last forever. So even if we are aggressive bullish for now, that doesn't mean that we are aggressive bullish up here. Or for Nasdaq, that doesn't mean that we are bullish above, like at this level, you know. At this level, the bearish momentum will step in probably. That's at least my plan. So yeah, don't marry you know, like a certain direction. Be able to see like the key levels where markets can shift from. If we were like really, really aggressive bullish, we would have blasted through all of this already last night, but we chopped around last night too at market open. This move up was just because of news right before kind of before market close last night, right? We had like these last 1 hour push on Nasdaq, you mean? I think it was like 400, 500, 480. You can also go for 161, but that's just on the 1 minute somewhere here. I'm trusting this a little bit more. So I'm risking like 1,000 on this if I go for. Yeah, I'm so tired of winning. My portfolio is really tired too. Yeah, yeah, I see that, Mugs. But yeah, Trump has really sent the markets down. Not just Trump, but like everything. Trump included. Oh man. Maybe gold. Gold is trying to come up. What was that timing in the chat? I just read that. When you get a chance, no chance. Stop loss for Goldie will be right above this 15-minute green candle for me. That's at 4,085. Sujay finally sent the oil signal, bro. We are starving here on gold and NQ right now. Starving too. Alright, let's get something. Damn you, NQ. Yeah. Enough, bro. This would have been your golden entry. Sell limit at 52.3 on gold. 52. Oh, yeah, I see. Why? This one, right? The 15. But for me, it's not valid yet. Because we never closed below this low. That's why I'm using the 1 hour. Bro, Sujay, feel free to unmute, by the way. I'm all alone here today. Or are you in the office? Tavia, to get back to the bullish, heavy bullish thing one more time. See, for now, goalie is pretty heavy bullish compared to these candles, right? We've been ranging and now we get a clean move up. So we are heavy bullish right now on goalie, just pushing up. We still look for sells right here. Why? Because we think that's a nice point where price could reverse from, right? So you cannot really be afraid to go against these moves. In my eyes, this is just volume, and I want to see volume because we need volume to get to our TP. So I want to see it kind of push heavy into my direction. As long as I have a good entry, that should be not a problem. Nah, I'll keep them for 930. That's what I'm waiting for, kinda. Technically, there's also a buy zone right now on Nasdaq. If you look for this. Oh no, it's not valid. Delete that, delete that. We didn't close above. Not even on the 5. Yeah, nothing. Nothing besides these two right now. Goalie coming. Salamet is right there. 4067. I think I placed it on my Lucid here. Yeah, exactly. I know Pranav has it 1 pip lower. That's fine. Let me also put the stop loss on. Alright, we creeping up here. 15 minutes, and then we should see some action. Finally. 2J is gone. Yeah, it's so hot already. And the sun is not even... It hasn't even turned around the house yet, so it's not really shining into my windows. Already got 28 degrees in my room. $30, nice. Yeah, I also live in the top floor, so all the heat just, gets up to me. This has to be the slowest NY session that we had this year so far. Yo, Aaron.
Good morning, G.
Good morning, bro. Good
Yes,
to
sir.
hear you.
You too, brother. You too. You green, as always.
Green. We green. 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 Just this
Slow
account,
session.
not yet.
Nah, it's all good. In time. In due time.
How's the morning in Cali?
That's good, man. Just woke up, to be honest, not too long ago. I'm about to make my coffee. It's a beautiful morning. And yeah, just open the charts. No rush.
W.
Yeah.
Is it also really hot over there right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not like Europe. You know,
Yeah, Europe is
we don't have
really getting hit right now.
crazy. It's actually really crazy. Plus, like in Cali, it's not humid, you know, so I'm sure it's humid as like super humid there. So
Yeah.
yeah,
We have like 70% over 70.
jeez. The black is hot. The black is.
Yo, Jerome Paul.
Bro.
And it's been a lonely session so far. I'm glad you're here.
Bro. Or getting surgery, or is AV probably sleeping?
Yeah, AB is recovering. Same as George, and Lewis is busy.
Right. I got you, bro. I got you.
And your Ice Age sounds pretty good right now.
How long is that supposed to last? You know? the heat wave?
I think it's gonna be over after this weekend, probably.
Okay.
And then it's gonna cool off a little bit. Yeah, about Saturday. I can't wait for the rain already. It's gonna be so good. I just go outside when it's raining.
Stand in there.
Yeah, just soak it up.
What's Goldie up to? Anything?
Yeah, we have a 1 hour TJL1 sell limit, but it's struggling. I guess we need 9:30 for something today.
Yeah. Some volume. Turn up the volume.
And NQ has a 1 hour dual change sells and 15-minute TJL2 buys. Whichever gets in first.
Yeah. Never gets activated. Saw George getting a dual change on his knees.
Yeah. I already told everybody to pray for him so he doesn't get to go through an operation.
Yeah, W. Stay strong over there.
Bro, George got hurt so many times since I know him already.
Same. Like, this has got to be the third or fourth time. Like,
Yeah, he recovers and then he goes to training and like 2 weeks later he comes with a new injury.
it's so funny.
What are they doing to him, bro?
I don't know. Last time I know it was his ankle, like when I saw him, you know. That was me.
And before that, I think it was his arm.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I know he also had problems with like the you know,
Yeah.
whatever that is in terms of
Leiste.
Leicester, yeah, that's yeah, sports is mod.
Now, but they be sad though. Blessed to get an injury like that because of sports and not because of
Yep.
unhealthy lifestyle.
Yeah. Amen, amen. And bro, let's be honest. George was just out too late because South Africa won, and now he's the new football fan of the century and went too hard.
Now he just puts some wraps on his knees and acts like he went to the dog.
Right, like he played in the game.
Oh, we got 9:30. Let's see if anything gets tapped here. And you bleeding. Slowly trying to come up.
Come on, Cody. I'll make a coffee real quick.
Yep. Yeah, thunderstorm, I can see that. And it's gonna be a good one. Last Friday, I think it was last Friday, I got woken up by 6 a.m. or something by the loudest thunderstorm I've ever heard in my entire life. It was so loud. I literally thought we might get bombed right now. And then I saw the lightning and I was like, alright, this is just a storm, but damn, that was loud, bro. This had to be like right above me. Yeah. Oh, let's go, Tama. Back at it. L Gold. Let's see if Nas gets us in.
Germany play today, you know?
Germany plays?
Uh-huh.
When?
At 1 o'clock for me, so 7, 8, 9. 7 hours. So 10 for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll watch it. You gonna watch it with people or you just with your wife?
I think I might watch it with another American-German couple. If not, then I'll watch it with my wife.
Yeah. Jesus?
Jesus.
What did I do? What happened?
I guess you didn't know the game.
Oh, because of yeah, I'm not a football guy, but you know, I get excited for the World Cup too. If I have people around me that get excited, then I can, you know, get myself to watch it.
You just gotta watch the next round. The most important, like the knockout rounds.
Yeah, those are the most interesting.
Right. Give me your passport.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never been into football. I've started playing basketball when I was 6 or 7. I'm not too sure. And then I played for like over 10 years. And I never watched football. I watched a little basketball, watched a little NBA. But I never really
What league?
watched sports though. Like a lot, you know. I watched like the World Cup, of course, in basketball, and I like to watch back then the Sixers.
The Sixers, that's hilarious.
Bro, I was a huge fan of Allen Iverson. NFL, I never really knew it it existed until I was like 10 or 11, because it's just not a thing in Germany. Or it wasn't back in when I was like a little kid. I think now it's getting a little bit more popular over here, but back then nobody talked
Still not
about
a
it.
thing.
Yeah, it's in Germany it's kind of just football.
It's like also they can only name or like one player, like Tom Brady, for example, who's retired now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's like the same as Americans, they can only name like Messi or Ronaldo, not anyone else. It's the exact same. Basically.
Yeah. Different cultures, different
Exactly.
sports. Just like I've never heard about cricket before, and I've never had contact with cricket. And then there's like people in here that just played it their whole life. See, and then it's just a culture thing.
Rugby also.
Yeah.
Rugby also.
Yeah, rugby. See George with the rugby in South Africa, and in England, I think it's also a huge sport. Australia. If you're living in
USA
Thailand, you're probably into fighting.
Yeah. Muay Thai,
Muay Thai, yeah.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. That's another place we should also go.
Yeah, man. There's so many places I have to go.
The whole world, bro. It's
Yeah.
Lil SumSum.
That's why I need to double up the payouts.
Double up.
I thought about getting on each prop for maybe another account and then copy trade it with one account just to double up.
W.
Okay, NQ coming down. Goldie trying to come back up. Let's see.
Let's see.
15 TGL too. Let's delete this one on the top. And move this over here. He's a giant, right? I saw I went to a game of the Golden Globetrotters. You know, these fun games. That was pretty fun. Where they just do trick shots.
Yeah, the Harlem Globetrotters. That's hilarious, bro.
Yeah, I saw them live.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Seen them play it live once or twice when I was younger, you know.
Yeah. It was so entertaining as a kid, because back then the internet wasn't really that big, so you didn't see stuff like that on a daily, and then seeing that live, people doing stuff like that was fun.
Right. Dirk Nowitzki, one of the GOATs. Crazy.
Yeah, I think people don't know how good he was. Well,
Yeah,
he's
they also
underrated.
just yeah, exactly. Like very underrated. Like he's one of the best to ever do it. And I don't think people understand that.
He beat the GOAT while being sick.
I know. Bro, he won the hardest championship. Like he beat LeBron, he
Yeah.
beat Kobe, he beat someone else that was crazy on that run.
I have a Nowitzki basketball. That's like gotta be like 20 years old now.
That's hilarious.
Still got it.
One of my homies.
Yeah.
Oh,
Go on.
I was gonna say in Germany they play with Dennis Schroeder in like video games, you know?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah. It's like gaming with him.
Oh
Like,
my
sometimes. I know.
That's crazy.
I know.
Ah, that's crazy. Thank you. Tap us in. Thank you. Let's see. Heavy melter, can we stop or do we just crash through? Probably, let's measure this. Yeah, if this can hold, that would be great. And then we take 2 off there. Let's see. If this hits stops, like stop loss, then we just know what to do, right? We know that we got, if we get 2 candle closures below, we got a change of character and then we switch our bias. But for now, this is the only valid play that we can go for based off the 15. We also got these wicks, that's why I got these stops a little bit below these wicks. Wanna see if it maybe taps into that and then rejects from. But we seem to just melt. Yep. Alright. Quick and easy. Goldie not coming up. Yeah, let's see if we can get 2 candle closures below. And then we can probably take it from this SBR zone. YOLO! How you doing, bro?
YOLO.
Yeah, free fall. Crazy. Crazy drop. What's gold doing? Also coming down. Not even Sujay got in here. Damn. Whoa. NQ's just not stopping.
Jeez.
Crazy. We can look for something on the 5. If you get another 5 now, closing below, we can have sell limits. That's the good thing about this strategy. Once you take, if it stops you out like that, that's kind of the best thing that can happen. Because now we know if you get these candles to close below, we can switch our bias and just hop on this move on the volume that we see right now.
Alright.
On this one, Sujay on the left. Yeah. If you go just like that, I mean, you can come down all the way until here. .6 down here. You wanna try the 0.6 or what you trying to say? Yeah, I think I'ma just wait now, honestly, because if we zoom out today, we could come all the way down here. I could see that retest. This would be like a double bottom. Crazy, it's not stopping. Let's think about it. If we start rejecting from here and get a little pullback on NQ, the 0.6 would kind of align with the SBR zone. But it needs to stop melting for now. That's crazy. L. We got George in the chat hating. Bro. Is anybody in these cells and riding this train down? This is crazy. Alright, I'm gonna have a sell limit now at this SBR zone. Let's see if we can get it back or if it just continue to melt. And then we gotta look for some 1 minute TJLs maybe if they appear. But this could be the next setup right now for us. Let's see. Yeah, 0.6 is right there inside this zone. I like this. AJ, let's go. 1 MNQ, 500 bucks. W. Yeah, you don't see a move like that. Like every session. How much did we drop here? Let's say from here. Damn. Over 2,000 pips. In 13 minutes. Crazy. IB's imbalance? Or what? Initial balance first 1 hour of trading. Ah, okay. Right here. Crazy. M. Good luck, Sujay. Yeah, we're not getting activated on this. God dang. Goalie's gone too. It's just not giving any. We don't have any point to enter. We don't even get a 1 minute TJL so far. Nothing. Yeah, that's nothing that you can plan into your trade to happen. Just like this move up right before the market close yesterday. This was nothing that you could have been like, yeah, we probably gonna get a 2000 pip juicer right here. Just like you couldn't expect to get a 2000 pip bleeder right there. It's been shopping basically for the whole day. You see how we just had all these small candles, not really giving out a lot of new structures since we needed closures above here, and then we never got closures above there, so we never got really any setups. And then 9:30 came and it just blasted through everything, so there wasn't even a chance for us to get in on this move. We tried, right? We even went for the 5-minute SBR zone, but it never even came close. Never even came close. And that's just you just gotta accept these days and these moves. Sometimes there will be a day where we will be in favor of a move like that, and we just be like, whoa, what's happening? It's profits. We just see it melt in our direction. And there's gonna be days like that where we see our setup for buys and it just melts through and we see a 2000 pip bleeder afterwards. But yeah, it's just a normal loss. It's just another loss. We can't do anything about it. Tomorrow might be the day where we catch a move like that, and then this loss doesn't matter because we make like 2 or 3k on it. Just gotta see it from that perspective. And even this candle, not a retracement, nothing, still. Tama came back, it's like, what? EPR work? No. What's that? Oh, paper. Oh yeah. Of course. Yeah, that's a lot in Germany. And a lot is still going through the old way. You just gotta send out papers and stuff instead having it digitally. Right, so we got a 2-candle retracement finally. Let's see what happens. Yo. Crazy melter.
I know, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I saw Coach T on that.
Yeah. That's I mean,
That's
I lost half my drawdown on this account too.
It's all good.
Yeah.
You know how the game goes.
You win
Not
some,
even
you
true.
lose some.
Exactly, but we win more.
Yeah. And that's the point.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, I expected at least some reactions somewhere, but as we could see, it just didn't stop for anything.
Yeah.
Sujay might see some profits here now. Yeah. Let's go, Sujay.
Sujay. It's the encyclopedia. So where did it bounce from? Anything? I was outside for
The double bottom kinda now.
Okay.
Yeah. You had a 15 change of character, and you had SBR, A plus, and now double bottom. A plus didn't even flinch, it just crashed through,
Yeah.
and then double bottom is now reacting. But at that point I didn't want to go in buys anymore.
That point's going through everything.
Yeah, because now I only have one shot on this account, and I'd rather go with the trend now that we just saw.
That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, if you can get closures below now, we send it.
Send it. Hey, there he is. Let's go.
Let's go, Sujay.
It's the encyclopedia right there.
Payout ready. That's what I like to hear.
Same. It's
Yeah.
nothing like that payout ready feeling, you know?
Bro, but Sujay, respect for going into buys there, man. After that heavy move down, I didn't trust it at all. Risk gets rewarded.
100%. ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué
hombre?
pasa?
Sujay, me and AB had some great talks about you too, bro. Ooh. Yeah.
The goat.
Emma do. The down. Where's he at?
He's sleeping, I think.
Let's wake his ass up.
Yeah, I think he's still jet lagged.
For sure, 100%. Oh yeah, he's in
He's in
England now.
London. Yeah,
Yeah.
he came to Germany and then like 1 or 2 hours later he had the next flight to London.
Yeah. Wasn't it? Yeah, he was in the airport in Asian. Yeah. That was
Yeah, and
awesome.
then he was stuck at the airport, and so it was
Okay.
like a super long day for
I was like, that's Heathrow.
him. Bro, if we
Goldie
get
doing it?
trying
Oh,
to
you
come
can
back
say.
up, I was about to say if we get activated on this one on NQ up here, that's crazy.
I mean, you will. Thank you.
Yeah.
Things are roller coaster.
Let's go, AJ.
Hey, AJ.
I'll closure bench.
Or boot camp.
That's what I have, bro. Yeah. I'll probably put like 2 at the 60. Yeah, and then see if this one gets added. And if this doesn't play out, this account is gone. But it's alright, I just took a payout. I got paid off this one.
Getting paid. Hey. Give me money. Alright. Whip out the fib.
Whip it out.
Whip it out.
What are you up to today? You got training?
Yeah. We had a game yesterday, training today.
How was the game?
And then it was bad, we lost.
Happens.
Yeah.
Gotta take
But it's-
losses to win, you know how it is.
Exactly. So it is what it is. But season's almost over, so that's nice, you know. Like,
Yeah. Hey, old shakes. Surprised we're not bottom ticking. Man. Good morning, classic. Yeah, we got obliterated by this downward move.
is it?
But we might get it back here.
Dun dun dun. Crazy, Tamir. And his playbook evolves. Crazy.
Crazy, Tama. Yeah, I've seen you holding some trades, like fully, with like a huge amount of contracts on it. Crazy.
That's big time, bro. Must be a clear path, then I hold. Like Bitcoin. Oh, bro, I just to say that. It's
Yeah,
still
we need to
coming
buy some more.
No.
Bro!
Right?
What?
I just looked I know.
Oh,
It's crazy.
another 3%.
Chill, Billy, chill.
Bro, they're putting out so many discounts.
I know, that's true.
I need more
It's a
money.
great way to look at it, bro. It's a great way to look at it. They're so nice. So many discounts.
It's not about the size, it's about how you use it.
Yeah.
Shakes. You're funny.
Are we on YouTube? I didn't, bro.
Yeah, we on YouTube.
Excellent. Sweet. What's up, YouTube? I'm not in here talking crazy. Man, where's the next World Cup at? Does anybody know?
North Korea.
Could you imagine?
I could imagine with FIFA, bro.
Actually, you're right. You're right. You're right. They get enough money, bro. Anything is possible. Anything is possible.
Maybe we gonna get it if we
Oh.
make enough money.
So... oh, man. That's too funny. Crazy. Bro, I can't believe South Africa advanced. Like, can we talk about this? Where's AB? Like, yo, Sujay, where's my soccer people at? Like, George's not even here to like celebrate it, nor does he even care. He didn't even know, bro. I think like I told him. That's how he found out. Oh man. Crazy.
George just cares about rugby.
Exactly. I respect it though. I respect it. For real. No, they're second, bro. They go through automatically.
Who's Germany playing tonight?
Germany is playing Ecuador.
Oh,
Germany's already through, but
yeah.
they want to win the group, of course. I think they win the group no matter what.
I think it's
but not
Brazil meeting Germany right after the group stages, right?
That'd be wild. I don't think so, but maybe like round of 16. But first game, Germany should play like somebody else, like not Brazil. They'll play like a third place game.
That,
So, like,
that match gonna be wild.
Yeah.
They want revenge.
Dude, Messi, Ronaldo. It'll be wild. Argentina definitely gonna beat Portugal if they play good right now. I knew that would. Not so fast.
As a coach, the last Germany game, was the coach trolling? Because I saw a lot of comments saying that the referee was basically a player of the, what team was it that Germany played against? Last time I forget the name. Yeah, Curacao.
Curacao.
Yeah. Basically a member
Or
of their
Ivory
team.
Bro, I look like Curacao. There he is. The Don just woke up. Bro, you gotta join our discussion. It's getting deep. Portugal versus Argentina, quarterfinal. Argentina wins.
I wonder.
That's why you're waking up.
AB, I got a question for you, AB. Who are you rooting for if Germany plays against Portugal?
Mm.
He getting deported. I know.
W.
Yeah, I'm filing a report for both of you right now.
I love it. Take the screenshots too. I'll be the witness.
The visa got cancelled all of a sudden.
No, no, no. We just need you to get your passport, you know.
Yeah.
Let me all leave.
What is gold doing? A whole lot of nothing.
Yeah. Go.
But damn, this day is a drag. Holy.
Holy.
It's already
Oleg.
4:30 or almost.
Oh yeah, bro. I always forget. I feel like you're in Cali for some reason. Around the same time.
Yeah, for you, the day just started, but hey.
Right. You want to call it or?
Yeah, let's wait until the 30 and then I'll call it probably.
Alright. Hmm.
Hmm.
Oh. That was a hiccup. Man, Goldie really not doing nothing.
Nothing. Yeah. Everybody is on NQ today.
See that? I'm not the biggest NQ fan. Like, I like to take it if you guys take it and stuff, but I don't really take them on my own, really. Maybe I'll get there.
Yeah, just gotta spend some time alone on NQ, I guess. Just
Yeah,
blow a couple combines on them. Or pass them.
I got one today.
Happens.
Yeah, I'm not tripping it.
Yeah. Whatever.
I just want to get nice with it. With that AB strat. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Mexico played 3-0-3 for
3-0.
Mexico.
Yeah, bro. With like not their first starting 11, you know.
No wonder Luz is not here today. ¿Qué
Right.
pasa? E7.
Some modelos, man.
Tequila Thursday.
Que el Thursday. Taco Tuesday. That's Louis J. Shout out Louis J. Shout out Black Forest Water.
It's her. Black Forest.
Sorry. Glass bottle. It's, you know, gotta represent it right. Bro, I found a glass water here. So like happy.
Nice.
But it's not like I can go to the store and like buy it again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Is
I
there no
cherished it.
bottled water you can buy anywhere?
no, you can buy bottled water, just not like
Glass
where it's
bottle.
glass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should start our water company in the US then and start selling bottled water all across the United States.
In the glass bottle.
Yeah, in a glass bottle.
Let's do it. Bro, if Black Forest Water would just sponsor us, bro, that would be crazy.
Yeah.
All I need is Lil SumSum, but I'm trying to tell the world.
Probably smart to invest into water.
Yeah.
Into water anyways in the future. If you have like your own supply.
Honestly, not a bad call.
Who knows what they're gonna do with our water.
That's what I mean. And then how expensive that water gonna get? What? All right.
Yeah.
I can't get them ideas, bro.
Gonna be importing some water from the space or something in the future.
Be wild.
Ice blocks out of space. And we get aliens inside that ice.
From Antarctica.
Yeah. We're drifting away from trading. Because, dang, this price action.
Again, hard to trade that.
Yeah, let's call it on YouTube. Bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye YouTube.
We see you tomorrow on Friday. Tomorrow gonna be better.
YouTube. All you need is Lil SumSum. All right.
Yes, sir. Peace.
Yes,
Peace.
Hey.